Lola, I'm trying to do a press. Easy!
The best thing about this. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Jesus, those are big tablets. Good morning, beautiful people. So last night I didn't really get all of the jobs that I wanted to get done. So I'm gonna do them this morning after my breakfast. I did a Barry's workout this morning. I've just been in the shower. And I feel good. It's sunny. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. So I think I'm gonna start with some baking because I really want to bake some banana bread finally. I'm gonna eat my breakfast first. Porridge for breakfast. So when I bake banana bread, I usually, oh God, where's that chocolate spread come from? Usually I use this recipe from a website called Minimalist Baker. But my friend Em keeps posting about her banana bread recipe, and I'm like, okay, I need to try this out to see what the hype is about. She's been baking a lot recently, and I just feel like I need to make everything that she has made because it looks so good. But I've just had no motivation to bake, you know? I don't think you should force yourself to do things that you don't want to do. But I do love having like a loaf of banana bread. I'm just defrosting some bananas from the freezer to like have as a snack. By the way, this morning, like, I was just looking at my arm definition. I know it doesn't look like much. My triceps are really coming out. Home workouts, I tell you. Anyway, right, so the bananas are defrosting because I keep dark bananas in the freezer for this very purposeful banana bread, and they're disgusting when they come out, but it's so good to use dark bananas. What else do we need? I'm gonna get all my ingredients and then let's bake together. So I put the link for the recipe that I'm using, but here is all my ingredients. We got 3 bananas, 3 eggs, some bicarb soda, a little bit of milk, some oats, some flour. I'm using organic coconut flour. I think M's is like spelt and buckwheat, but I just always love cooking with coconut flour and coconut sugar when I can. Honey, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and that's it. Oh, actually, I'm gonna add these in because I always add them in when I can, just to get that extra nutrients. Guys, I forgot the most important ingredient, chocolate chips. So, my best tip for making chocolate chips, you guys probably already know this, but get yourself a chopping board, put the chocolate chips inside a plastic bag, and this is best with a rolling pin, but I don't have one, so I'm literally just gonna use the end of the spoon to do that. This is like therapy. Sorry, neighbours. I've made a mini one. Since there was so much mixture, I have now made another little one. So we're gonna put that in the oven. She says to put it in for 40 minutes at 250 degrees, which seems quite high, but we'll see how these two go. Okay guys, I think I left them in 10 minutes too long. They've ended up burnt, but the thing is, like, they're so soft on the inside, so I just put them in for an extra 10 minutes anyway. I'm sure they'll be fine. Banana bread for days. Hello, Cajun prawns. This is my favorite lunch ever. In case you hadn't noticed, if you've been watching my vlogs, I eat this pretty much every single day for lunch, and it's so good. Finally got my washing up on the line so it can dry in the sun today. This little one's sunbathing over here. Hi, baby. Are you enjoying the sun? Third wash of the day is on. Just taking down all of my washing from yesterday. So this is my ironing pile, which actually isn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. So I'm gonna do that in a second and then wash my brushes and change my bedding. Not gonna lie, I've eaten that whole small loaf of banana bread in the past half an hour. I'm just getting all the hoovering and stuff done. I keep getting distracted by something which I will be able to tell you about very, very soon, but can't tell you about yet. And that's very vague. It's so windy outside. I can literally see the lamppost shaking. Yeah. Let's do the hoovering. Whoa, it's so sunny. And change the bed sheets too. Right guys, so I've cleaned and used Flash Bathroom all in the shower, but I need your help to see if any of you know any products that will get rid of this. I'm gonna go at it with bleach, but I've literally Flash Bathroomed it twice, left it, and usually Flash Bathroom sorts this stuff out, but essentially like the water gathers here and then you can see like where it runs down into the drain. But it's just like, it was like this when I moved in, it was stained, but I can't seem to get it to move. I've actually had a thought, I'm gonna leave this to work its magic and see if it does anything. Time to wash the brushes. My God, these need this so much. I need to go and actually find my brush cleaner because it's better than just shampoo and water. Okay, we found the actual brush cleaner. This stuff definitely gets the makeup off the brush a lot quicker. Top tip for when you're drying your brushes, roll a bit of a towel up and face them like that so that the water runs down and it doesn't run back into the brush. For dinner we have the salmon with the potatoes and the broccoli. Simple. Look at that banana bread. Oh my God, it's so good. This is like my 10th piece today. Also, I just thought I'd point out, if you were wondering why I hoovered my mattress, it's because I'm still keeping on top of this flea situation. So I thought I'd give you an update on that because a lot of you asked in my last couple of home vlogs. Basically, if you haven't seen the other vlogs, there were fleas in the carpet, which I only assumed were from the previous owner's cat. And I literally, I was like trying everything with like in terms of Lola's flea treatment, and then realized that they were in the carpets and then made their way into my bed, which was brilliant. But I treated the whole house with this stuff. I just bought it on Amazon because it got good reviews. Indirect defense spray. So I did this on a sunny day where I literally sprayed everything, and I sprayed my mattress and I sprayed my sofa and the cushions and everything, and I put all of the bedding and throws and everything and cushion covers in hot washers, and that seems to have done the trick. Lola is now wearing a flea collar, so that keeps any fleas off her, because when we go for walks she like rolls on the ground, and I've noticed a few ticks that I've had to get out of her. So I don't know if that's where she's picking them up, or even if there's like fleas / ticks in the garden. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is that I think it's under control for now. That's why I was hoovering my mattress, just because I want to like keep on top of that aspect of things. I'm gonna go and take Lola for a walk now. I've got all of my jobs for today done. I really hope you have enjoyed this vlog. Please do let me know what kind of content you want to see from me. If you just want to see me doing like home stuff, obviously I still can't really do much like decoration wise, but we can definitely always sort out together, and you can help motivate me to actually do the housework, because I feel like it is a lot to keep on top of. Like, I was speaking to my friend about this today, and she was like, we usually have a cleaner for our flat, and not having a cleaner has been really difficult. And she was like, I don't know how you keep on top of like a 3-bedroom house. So yeah, it is hard, because I feel like I'm constantly like cleaning the kitchen every single day. This is not me complaining, by the way, this is just like an observation. There's like things you do every day, and then there's things you do weekly. And I think I was watching this girl's story that I followed today, and she said that she has like a set day that she does her laundry on and her ironing. So I think I'm gonna try and do that, where it's like a bit more structured, so it's not all over the place. I do tend to leave most of the housework to the weekend, like the big jobs. But anyway, let me know if you have any tips on that as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know if you enjoyed this. I hope you're all good. I'm sending love to all of you, and I will see you all very soon. Goodbye.